Hello. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if not, hello, welcome. My life is chaos, much like everybody else's. Today, this is my first video of a new series that I am starting. Still trying to decide what to call it, whether it's gonna be friend's choice or my friends choose my looks or whatever. I know tons of people do this, but my friends low-key hate me. So I started with my cousin's girlfriend, who's one of my soul sisters, Miranda. I sent her this message this morning, and that's the look she sent. I'll put it here. I've never in my whole life of doing makeup done a look like this. I've done some fun creative stuff, don't get me wrong, but rhinestones isn't something I've messed with makeup. I've done rhinestones on nails. I'm a nail tech, and I've done it on nails plenty of times, but not on my face, so, or anybody else's face. This is new territory for me, so on this journey, I will probably just speed through my entire base because I know that my eye look is gonna be the main focus and it's gonna take some time. So I'll still do my whole base on camera, but I'll speed it up so that way there's not like 30 minutes, a 30-minute, 35-minute long video for you to watch. It's like 15 to 20 because I don't know how long that's gonna take. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do my base, and like I said, that's gonna be sped up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before I continue, I'm gonna talk about my eyebrows real quick. I'm very aware that they don't really look even, but here's the thing. In my eyebrows, I have really nice, thick, gorgeous eyebrows, and I'm grateful for that. But I know I don't need a lot of product for them. I only use it, a lot of times I use brow powder and eyebrow gel over it. But I do have scars in my eyebrows where like I don't grow hair from when I had the chicken pox when I was a kid. And so it is incredibly hard for me to even get them remotely close to looking the same. So please be nice to my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna continue now. I'm gonna have to start wearing like a bib or something because I'm wearing all black. I often wear all black, and I just got setting powder all over me. But you know, it's all good. We're good. Don't worry, we're good. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Okay. Almost done with my base. I promise, guys. I'm almost done with it. So far, it's looking really pretty though. So, I'm done with my base. It's time for me to tackle this look. So because of the like colors in this, I think I'm gonna use the original Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I got this when it first came out, so it like doesn't have the mirror. Oh, I just put my hand all over these side shadows. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna use mainly like right here in this area, maybe one of these. So I'm gonna use the Silk Cream. So those two shades, this one's Silk Cream and this one's better. So I think I'm gonna use those two for like the part, oh, it almost fell off my table, for the part that goes like right here and like out. Yeah. Okay, I'm doing this. I just need to pick up a brush and put makeup on it and put it on my face. That's all I have to do. Okay, I'm doing this for real, guys. I got this. I think I'm gonna use this brush. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna drag it around my crease first, and I'm gonna kind of try and make this shape. I'm not gonna focus so much on making the like perfect little like shape because I am gonna have to put concealer more than likely on my eyelid to like shape it out more. But we will see how this goes. I'm just kind of really going in there with Silk Cream first to really create the outline first. Let's see, I'm going in, I think this is either butter or pooter. Very interesting name choices on Jacqueline's part, honestly. Just doing like small little circular stroke motions. Really building up that color, I guess. So here's the thing. This is not the part that I'm nervous about. The part that I'm nervous about is the rhinestones. Let's just get that right. I'm gonna do the other side, do the same thing. I'm basically following the exact same spot I put the other color. So I had to get up to get like my rhinestones, and I have a rhinestone applicator because I'm a nail technician. And so I have this, it's like wax, and you can like grab the rhinestones with it, and I'll put it on like that. I'm assuming I can use it for that too. But if you notice that it's darker in here, I did have my blinds open. My apartment complex doesn't have like actual light. Anyway, my apartment complex doesn't have like actual lights other than in the kitchen and the dining room already installed. So all I have is like lamps and stuff. I have a bathroom light and a closet light. So my blinds were open, but it was making it super bright on one side and not really on the other. And so I closed those so it's a little bit darker, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm going to cut this crease now. I think I'm gonna use, I have these two brushes. I think I'm gonna use the smaller one, and then I'll use this one to like put a light shadow over it. And hopefully that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this crease. This is gonna be interesting. I'm sure there are a million easier ways to do this than when I'm doing it, but whatever. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. just because one, you already saw it once, and two, it's gonna take a little bit more finessing to do this side because I have to match this side, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've done the other eye. I also went ahead and did eyeliner because I don't want to try and battle eyeliner after I do the rhinestones. The eyeliner looks a little funny right now because I don't have mascara or lashes on. Okay, so please don't judge that. So I have eyelash glue. I'm using Duo eyelash glue. Brush on adhesive. I'm gonna do little dots. I got some rhinestones out on my table, so that way I can just like pick them up. I'm nervous, guys. How do you people do this? I'm nervous. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with, oh, I don't think that's enough glue. Oh. Okay, so I put 4 dots. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying not to close my eye because I'm nervous. Ah, I did one. Okay. Okay. I got this. I'm so excited. No, I dropped a rhinestone. It's definitely not as many rhinestones as the photo. I do, however, need to get some more out, so I'm doing that real quick. Good thing that I'm a nail technician and I already had a bunch of rhinestones. I'm scared they're gonna fall off. Not the side I wanted. Okay, I might add like a couple more in between these, but I haven't decided yet. I gotta put more glue on to do more rhinestones so I can like finish out this eye. Okay, low-key love it. Thank you, Miranda. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera because I'll be back. Okay, so I also did my lashes on when I was finishing the rhinestones. I did add a couple of more in the beginning and I still left it like that on the outside. This lash is annoying me. The inner corner is refusing to stay. I also did my lipstick off camera. I just did like a really light nude matte color. But I am actually really proud of myself for this one. I am so excited. I'm proud of me for doing this because I've never in my whole life done a look like this, and it's actually a whole mood. I love it. I'm obsessed. Thank you, Miranda, for sending me this one and making me go outside of my comfort zone and making me do something that I've never done before. So that's all that I have for this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel before you go. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.